and today I am releasing my soaps from their molds, and I'm just unscrewing the little knob at the bottom here and sticking the screwdriver in to release the bottom cap. It's a little tough. I just barely took it out of the freezer. So let's see if it releases. And I just have a plastic drinking container. Oh, that's not going to work. It might have to come to room temperature. And it hasn't been in the freezer all night, which is what I did for the other one. So I'm just scraping off the top right here to see if that'll help release the mold. And it's okay if you get some of this off. There. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it works. Okay. It doesn't want to come out. So, oh, here we go. Oh, there. Okay. Oh, there we go. You got it. Woohoo! Okay. So I'm just going to smooth off the little edges. Probably can't see this, but it's a little rough. So I'm just going to smooth this really quick. And this just came out of the freezer. It wasn't in there that long, probably a couple hours. So that's it. That's the first one. Okay. And this one here is lavender mint, and it's goat milk. So lavender mint, goat milk. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to unscrew the bottom right here. Okay, and just pop off the bottom. And this one here that I just released is chocolate espresso. So that should be really nice. Really nice soap. And these will be round soaps, and I just cut them an inch thick, and they're about a little over 4 ounces. Okay, and I'll probably have to do, let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay, get it on the other side. Ooh, nice long one. So there it is. And that's how you release your soaps from your molds, your cylinder molds. And I have vanilla bean with espresso and coffee beans, ground up coffee beans, and then I also have Turkish mocha and peppermint. I just have to get my gloves on. And I had them in the freezer overnight to help them release. So what I'm doing here is I have to unscrew this little knob right here. So I'm going to do that. And I have condensation right here, which is fine. I'm going to wipe that up. And I have to insert the screwdriver to help release the mold. And then you can get right in here. Pop this right off here, and it should slide right out. Keyword, it should. So then what you take is just a little container like this, And it slides right out, nice and easy. Oops, that's a little longer. And see, it's already starting to cure, and this will turn a dark, dark brown. And that's it. And so these still are cold.